Hey, what's up, everybody? It's DJ Modi here from What Say Radio. Appreciate y'all always tuning in, locking it in with me. Let me turn my mic in. Hey, please make sure you like, subscribe, share the page, share the channel, share the video. As always, like I said, appreciate y'all always tuning in. And today we're going to do a quick market crypto update here. It's been about a week since I've been on, and I will admit, a little frustrated by the markets and what's going on with crypto. And so sometimes you got to just step back, take a break, take a breather, inhale and exhale, because patience is the name of the game. And so you got to practice what you preach. I got to practice what I preach, and that's patience. I've been patient here for the last 2, 3 years, uh, at least 3 years, accumulating crypto, my crypto bag. So I just got to be patient, and just sometimes, when it gets frustrating, because it does, and we can become impatient, which will allow us to do something crazy. And so, instead of doing something crazy, again, take a step back, take a deep breath in, and exhale. And then we come back, we reset, we refocus, and that's how it goes down. Got to have principles, got to have rules in this investing game, and that's part of what I've adopted and what I've learned through my trials and tribulations with investing. It is a process. It is a process, and it just takes time to get used to. But the reward is definitely worth it, and I know that all the hard work that I put in over the last 3 years, all the hard work that you put in as well, is going to pay off very, very soon. We just got to see it through. So, with that being said, let's just get a quick crypto update. The markets really haven't done, they've done, I'd say about a 5 to 10% move here within the last week, which if overall you thought about it, 5 to 10% is really, really good if you were to compare that to the stock market. But with crypto and the volatility, where you can get swings anywhere from 30 to 40 to 50% in just a snap of the finger, it's a little, that could be a little frustrating, because it has been down, and we really haven't started the actual altcoin, I would say, bull run. Bitcoin has done well over the last year. However, we're still waiting for all-time highs of at least 110,000 on Bitcoin, and right now, currently, we're sitting at 87,000. So, let's take a look, as we always do here, some of the trending coins: BNB, LINA, ALT. Only ones I know on this list, only one I know is BNB at $636. Nothing else in there really worth discussing. Looking at the market cap, we're still not back above 3 trillion. We were at 3.67 trillion a few months ago, so we're still down in the market cap. And just to refresh, we're looking at crypto in this bull market getting anywhere from 11 to 13 trillion estimated. So we're still way off the mark, which tells you where we're at in the season. Fear and Greed Index is currently at 33, which is up because we were down here in the red last week. So we've come back up, meaning people are buying a little bit here and there in the crypto market. The Bitcoin dominance. Let's see. It's well, altcoin is 18, so that would leave 19 or 82% Bitcoin dominance, right? So um let's see. Yeah, that's not going to change from so, but yeah, we should have about an 80% Bitcoin dominance in the whole market cap of that 2.85 trillion dollars in the market. And here it is, Bitcoin currently at 87K, 87.5K to be exact. And it has a market cap of 1.7 trillion of that 2.85 trillion. All right. Ethereum is second. Ethereum still not doing well, still not performing well here in the bull market, currently at 2,000. And it's been as low as 17, 18 over the last week. $1,718 over the last week. But looks like it's trying to wake up just a little bit here. And as you can see, it has a $244 billion market cap in the crypto space, which makes it the number two coin. XRP is currently at $2.36 with a $137 billion market cap. Solana, and we're just going to go through some of our favorites here. Solana is currently at $139. Last week it was flirting around $120, $125, $71 billion market cap. I had about, I'd say about 15 Solanas on Coinbase last week that I sold off, but I didn't actually sell it. What I did was traded it in for some more Chainlink. So, um, Solana again, I've mentioned it before. It's expected to get anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200 a coin here in this bull market. So, $139 right now is a great value for Solana. This is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. And so just want to put that disclaimer out for anything that I talk about here in this video. It is informational purposes only. Cardano is 73 cents a coin right now. And Charles Hoskinson, who is the CEO of Cardano, he is currently at the DC blockchain summit that they're having up in DC. And so he was one of the keynote guest speakers up there. Um, he also met with President Trump earlier in what was it, January, February, uh, a week prior to the crypto summit. He wasn't at the actual crypto summit at the White House. However, the week prior to, he did meet with President Trump, and so only they know what what was discussed behind closed doors there. But I anticipate if he's talking to the president, that big things are on the horizon for Cardano as well. And right now, that is an excellent coin that you can get at 73 cents right now. Again, let's take a look at the last 7 days of Cardano. It got around 70 cents last month. Let's see here. Well, actually, March, the first of this month, it was at 64 cents. So, seen about a 9 cent gain over the last 25 days or so. So, Cardano is a great project again. So that's one of the reasons why it is on my watch list. Um, and I recommend you put that one on your watch list as well, that Cardano. Chainlink, Chainlink is my favorite. Um, Again, Chainlink has been down as well with all the other cryptos, so no surprise there. Has waken up a little bit over the last week as let's see, it was $14.23 last week. Right now, we're sitting at 15.75. It kissed $16 yesterday. So we're trying to break that $16 range. Hopefully, it can get up to $18 here within the next week or so, and hopefully push forward towards that $20 mark to get back there. And so that's what we're waiting on with Chainlink. Avalanche is a good project. Had a nice bounce. I think within the last week, I'm gonna look it up. Last 7 days it got as low right here is 1875 on March 20th, and you can see it's at $22.13 now. It got even lower than that. It got right here on March 10th. It got down to $15.49. We're talking about a coin that in the last bull run in 2021 was $134. And you could have got that coin at $15. Right now, currently at $2.13. Very good project being adopted by institutions. And so that's another reason why we have Chainlink on our watch list. And we're going to talk about Sui here. Sui's been doing good over the last couple of days. It's waking up a little bit here. It was around the $2.20, $2.30 range over the last week and has a nice bounce. Let's see here. There you can see it was at $2.25 just on the 23rd. So here we are on the 27th in 4 days, bouncing up to $2.73. That's a nice bounce. So Sui trying to wake up a little bit here. Make sure you put that one on, have that one on your watch list as well. And so ICP, I told you I no longer hold ICP. It's been a slow mover over the last year. So I sold off my internet computer, ICP, and traded it in for some other projects that I'm talking about here that I actually believe in. Ondo is one I believe in. BlackRock is adopting Ondo. They're behind Ondo. This will be the first bull market for Ondo, the Ondo coin, Ondo on chain. So uh, do your research, check into Ondo. I think it's going to do well during this bull market. Prediction might hit $10. Could be possibly a $10 coin. As you can see, for the first time it was introduced was back in last year, 24, and it came on the scene at 24 cents. It got as high as $2 in December. All right, so and had a steady decline since. And so again, we're waiting on the bull market to really pick up. And when I say bull market, I'm talking about altcoin season. But we got to remember that Bitcoin up here, the number one coin, the number one considered digital gold asset in the blockchain is the boat or the ship that lifts all tides. So as Bitcoin goes, remember this, as Bitcoin goes, every other coin in the market. Let me not say that. Let me rephrase that. Good projects. I'm not talking about meme coins and things like that. I would say sound projects. As Bitcoin goes, it is the ship that lifts all tides and raises everything with it. So it's going to raise those great coins that I just mentioned there. So make sure you write those down, taking notes of those coins, doing your research into them. We're at 87K right now with Bitcoin. Speculation that it could fall back down into the 70s before we actually go up and make newer all-time highs, which the all-time high that we need to break is, let's see, we got up to 106K on what day was that? Let me give you, yeah, on December 17th, we got up to 106K. So hopefully we can get up to 110K and then push from there. But in the meantime, between time, let's make sure we're watching Bitcoin as it is the daddy of them all, and it leads the way. And just to close off, again, there is the crypto summit, blockchain summit that's going on in DC, and I just want to show you some of the keynote speakers that are there. Kevin O'Leary. I think he calls himself Mr. Wonderful. He's called Mr. Wonderful. Sergey Nazarov, y'all know I talk about him a lot. He's the Chainlink co-founder. He was there. He's a guest speaker. Anthony Scaramucci, Charles Hoskinson, he's there. He's not listed on here for whatever reason, but he was a speaker. He spoke yesterday. Michael Saylor from MicroStrategies is there. He's a big Bitcoin guy, one of the biggest, largest Bitcoin holders in the world, and so he's there as a guest speaker as well. So Donald Trump Jr., who he's with their World Liberty Financial. I think he's over the world or part of World Liberty Financial, which is Trump, and so. That right there is good news as for crypto. Even though crypto's not doing good, there's so many good things going on in the crypto world behind the scenes, such as these summits. They had the summit in White House at the White House. They had another summit. Oh, I forget where it was. It was just a couple of weeks ago. But anyway, now they got the one in DC. And so, yeah, they're doing these summits and kind of quiet on them until they come out or what have you, but it is what it is. But that again, that's great news that a lot of people, big wig people, big whales are institutions are getting involved with crypto. So that has to signal something to you and I. Make sure you keep that in the back of your mind. So um, I will keep you updated on the next one. Again, sorry that it took so long, but sometimes it's okay to detach. It's okay to detach from the crypto. It's okay to detach from your stocks. It's okay to detach from social media sometimes to maintain your mental your health, your mental wealth, your your spiritual. You got to keep. Sometimes you just got to take a break from this stuff. All right. Don't drive yourself crazy. As long as you're in great projects, sound projects, just know it's going to be all right. Just keep accumulating, keep adding to your bags, and eventually the patience is going to pay off. I do believe that. Again, like, subscribe, share the page, share the channel. I appreciate everyone tuning in. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace. DJ Mo D. I'm out. What you say?